Hey guys, it's Sid with SVTPerformance.com, and I want to give you guys a little bit of a channel update. So we haven't posted a whole lot very recently on the SVT Performance YouTube channel, even though things have been continuing to roll over on SVTPerformance.com with all the discussions and interviews, things like that over there. We just haven't been posting a lot on the YouTube channel, and that's basically because I've just been super busy, and it takes time to film and edit and produce all this stuff and put it out there, and that's on me. I just haven't had the time to do it. But the good news is we've got a lot of new stuff in the pipeline, and we're going to be dropping a new video tomorrow. We'll have the Bronco Raptor on the dyno at 5-star tuning, getting custom tuned with HP Tuner software, and we're going to make over 500 horsepower. So if you guys want to see that, subscribe to the channel. It'll be out tomorrow, and we've got a ton more stuff coming up, including picking up this classic Bronco with a Godzilla powered Super Duty. More reviews, Dark Horse reviews, Raptor R reviews, all kinds of stuff coming up, and even some stuff from years past that we've shot. We've got tool tech, lots and lots of content. I hope to see you guys. Subscribe so that way you can check it out and not miss anything. We've got a lot of stuff coming up. I'm really excited about it, and thank you for supporting the SVT Performance YouTube channel.